Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have the cable and adapter. Begin now. Turn off both devices if easy, then align the VGA plug so the 15-pin rows match the port notch. Do not force it. Once seated, finger tighten the 2 screws to hold the connector. This prevents wobble and intermittent signal. If an adapter is required, attach the adapter to the cable first, then to the device. This reduces strain. Make sure the monitor input is set to VGA later, but connect first to keep the wiring stable. Once done connecting, power on the monitor first, then the computer. This often yields a cleaner handshake between devices. When the system boots, open display settings and choose a resolution that the monitor supports, commonly 1280x720 or 1920x1080, so the image is sharp versus stretched. Next, set the refresh rate to match the monitor and pick whether the display is primary, extended, or mirrored. Make incremental changes, then now verify the image, color balance, and scaling. Use the monitor menu to fine-tune brightness and contrast if necessary, then make sure the cable stays secure by tightening screws without forcing them. If you see no picture, try a quick swap. Replace the cable or adapter, or connect the computer to a different monitor or port to isolate the fault. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure the monitor input is set to VGA. Many monitors default to auto, which can miss an analog signal, so manually select VGA and reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.